Everyone, do you know how to set up a Forex trading account? In this video, I am going to teach you step-by-step guide how to set up a Forex trading account. Opening a Forex trading account is the first step, practical step for anyone interested in trading Forex or currencies in the global Forex market. While it might seem complex for beginners, the process is generally straightforward and can be completed online in a few simple steps. This video, I will guide you through these simple steps of selecting a broker and making your first trade. Now, choose a reliable Forex broker. In my previous video, I have shown you how to choose a broker. So before opening an account, research and select a trusted Forex broker that fits your basic trading needs, and you may consider regulation that they have and other things. I have a link in my description which shows you, and the comment section, which you can use to click the link and to lead you to my broker, which is trusted and tested. Number two thing you need to do is to prepare required personal information. You need personal information and financial details ready to fill out the broker's online application form. Typical information include full name, email address, phone number, and residence address. Date of birth and nationality may be asked, employment status and income details, trading experience and objectives, preferred account currency, USD, Euro, and so on and so forth will also be required. Then your password creation for your account. Having these details at hand speeds up application completion. The third thing you need to do when you are about to set up your Forex trading account is to complete the online application. Visit your broker's website. Navigate to the account registration or open account. You have to use my link to click to get to the brokers, and then you can start opening the account. And then you fill out online form. Select the account type suitable for your trading experience and initial deposit capability. Common account types include demo account, standard account, mini or micro account for small beginners, Islamic account, swap free, VIP or premium account for experienced traders, and many more. Review the information before submission to avoid errors. Number 4, you have to submit verification documents, KYC process. To comply with financial regulations, brokers require identity verification known as KYC, know your customer. Upload scanned copies or photos of government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, national ID card, and so on and so forth. Then provide proof of residence, such as a recent utility bill, bank statement, or official government correspondence dated within the last 3 to 6 months as required by your broker. Now, ensure that documents are clear and match the personal information you provided. You see, some people will say, oh, my name is, like on this YouTube channel now, my name is Olubenga Adetritun, but I have another name which is David Olubenga Adetritun. Now, don't make mistake of writing when you are filling the form, Olubenga Adetritun David, or Olubenga David Adetritun. Is David first name, Olubenga Adetritun, because that is what is in my national ID and my means of identification. So the arrangement of names, whether I write Adetritun, David Olubenga Adetritun is the surname, David Olubenga is the first name and the middle name, then David Olubenga Adetritun. So you write it that way, not that you're not going to write Adetritun Benga David. You can see you have removed the Olu from there. They will take you up on that because Benga is here, Olubenga is here. So make sure that the name tallies as exactly as it appears on your ID card. Verification generally takes 24 to 48 hours, but can be instant with some brokers. Number 5 step you need to take when you want to start trading is to fund your trading account. Once you have been verified, you can deposit funds using the broker's supported payment methods, which commonly include bank wire transfer, credit card, debit card, and many more. You have to check for the minimum deposit requirements and possible fees. It is advisable to start with a small amount you can afford to risk while learning. Now, I also say that when you are opening your account, the money you are depositing should be money that you can afford to keep away for 6 months, not that money that you need for school fees the next 1 month or house rent the next 1 month. What will happen is when you are trading is that you are going to be trading with panic. To avoid panic trading, you have to use or deposit money you can leave there for 6 months when you are trading. Now, you have to download and set up your trading platform. Most brokers offer popular platforms like MetaTrader 4, MT4 or MetaTrader 5, MT5, which provide real-time quotes, charts, and trade execution. Then you have to download the platform software for your computer, mobile device, or use the web-based version. Usually you download the app from the MT4 app or the MT5 from the broker. Then after you do that, you log in using the credentials provided after you created your account, and then you familiarize yourself with platform tools through tutorials or demo trading. Then step number 7 is that you have to start trading. You know, when I started trading those days, when I learned Forex trading and I was doing demo account, then I met one guy at my broker's place one of those days. Then he told me, he said, "Why are you trading?" We were discussing, he said, "You are trading demo." He said, "Even if it is 10,000 naira, 20,000 or 50,000 naira, go and look for it and put it there. Trading demo does not make you to feel it. You don't feel it. But when you put in real money, you feel it. You feel you are trading. But if it's demo, you will not feel it. And you will not take it seriously. You'll be placing trade anyhow when it's demo. When it's real money, you want to look well before you trade. So with your account funded and platform ready, practice first on a demo account to understand order placements, stops, limits, and spreads. When confident, switch to live trading, but start with small trade sizes to manage risk. Usually I use 0.01 up till now. So people say I use 0.1, use 1 lot, use 10, use 100. If you use 10 on a trade, 10 lot size or 1, it may take you just with a few 40 pieces, you may make a lot of profit. 40 pieces also, you may make a lot of loss. So you should be careful. So when confident, you switch to live trading, but start with small trade sizes to manage risk. Then develop and follow a trading plan, including risk management strategies. You know, I may teach you different things how to trade. Anybody may teach you different things how to trade. Learn. Very good. In fact, that's why I'm making this video. Learn. But as you're learning, as you're trading, there's something that comes to you. As you're getting it, there's something that comes to you that now becomes your own style. That becomes your own style. I have known my own style now. And I don't panic in trading. I just trade with ease. And the money will just be there waiting for me. I go there and I pick it. So develop and follow a trading plan, including risk management strategies. And by so doing, that is how you start trading and you start making money. So in conclusion, opening a Forex trading account involves selecting the right broker, providing necessary documentation for verification, funding your account, and setting up the trading platform. Taking these steps carefully ensures a smooth start to your Forex trading journey. Always use demo accounts first to build confidence before trading with real money. This is Dr. Olubenga Adetritun YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. If you have gained value from this video, go ahead and like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends, and subscribe to this channel and ask your comments, drop a comment and question in the comment section below. I also want you to tell me in the comment section where you are watching me from. Are you watching from Lagos, from Port Harcourt, from Ibadan, or Ilorin? Or where are you watching from in Nigeria or Ghana or any part of Africa or any part of the world? Let me know in the comment section below. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can understand spreads, pips, and lot sizes in Forex trading. Please make sure you don't miss it. Until I come your way in the next video, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch. Zanganku, a video in the ZB1 now. Kemcho, Namaste. Madam Acho, see you in the next one. Thank you.